In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails in Freshsales. Bulk email in Freshsales is a helpful way to reach multiple contacts or leads at the same time. It works well for newsletters, product announcements, follow-ups, promotions, and general customer updates. Before you begin, keep in mind that this feature is only available on supported Freshsales or Freshworks CRM plans, so if you don't see the option, it may depend on your plan or user permissions. First, log into your Freshsales account. Once you're inside the dashboard, head over to the Contacts section. This is where you'll manage the people you want to include in your bulk email. From the Contacts page, click on Bulk Actions. Then choose Bulk Email. When the bulk email window opens, you may notice that all of your leads are already selected by default. At this point, you can either continue with everyone selected, or you can adjust the recipient list later if you want to target a more specific group. Next, type in your subject. In this example, we're using Freddy AI to help create the email content. Freddy AI is Freshsales' built-in AI assistant, and it can save time by suggesting subject lines and email copy based on your input. To generate a subject line, click Freddy AI, then click Generate Subject. Freshsales will show you a few subject suggestions. Review the options, pick the one that best matches your message, and then click Use Subject to insert it into your email. After that, type in part of your email or describe the subject matter you want the message to cover. This gives Freddy AI context so it can generate a more relevant draft. Once you've entered that information, go back to Freddy AI and click Generate Email. This feature creates a draft for you, which is especially useful if you want a solid starting point and plan to refine the message afterward. When you're happy with the generated version, click Use Email. Now click Personalize if you want to adjust your recipients. This is an important step if you don't want to send the same message to every selected contact. You can fine-tune the audience before sending, which helps keep your communication more relevant and effective. Once you're done editing your recipients, click Next and then click Send. As a best practice, personalize your emails with merge fields when possible, keep your subject lines clear and concise, and send a test email before launching the full campaign. It's also smart to segment your recipients instead of emailing everyone. Clean up invalid or bounced addresses regularly, avoid spam-triggering wording, and include an unsubscribe option for marketing emails when required. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.